All right, this is problem number, let's see, 14 or 15 from algebra, the second section of algebra. It says you owe Morty $120 and he charges you half of what you still owe each day. Okay? Is this situation linear, exponential, some other form, or is it impossible to tell? It's important here to there's some wording issues here, but let me try to kind of pin this down. If you owe him $120 today, okay, what it's saying is the next day it's 120 plus half of the 120. So it's assuming, all right, it's assuming that you haven't paid on any day, okay? And then the next day, let's just say that you haven't made your payment, any payment. The next day, it's the original 120 plus half of the day before, 120. That's not 120. Hold on. 120. Let me move this out of the way. Plus a half of the 120. Okay, so basically, so this is day after tomorrow. If you notice, you're repeatedly multiplying by a half. The repeated multiplication is what makes this be exponential. Repeated addition is linear. Repeated multiplication is exponential. If you're dealing with sequences, repeated addition is arithmetic. Repeated multiplication is geometric. So linear and arithmetic are similar. Exponential and geometric are similar. The big difference being that with sequences, you don't use the numbers in between 1 and 2, like you wouldn't plug in a 1.5. So with sequences, you only jump in whole numbers, whereas linear and exponential functions takes into account the numbers in between. Okay, so that's the big difference. So you have a sample problem right here. It's your redemption problem. Now you owe Vinny. You owe Vinny $120 and he charges $2 interest each day. Very simple question, very quick answer. Wants to know, is it linear? Is it exponential, some other form, or is it impossible to tell? So, good luck working this out. Check the answer with your teacher, and